Hey everybody, Chris here from IPD, and I am out in IPD's warehouse and shop, and I've got some great news for you on an IPD exclusive item. I am buried in springs, and when I talk about springs, I mean lowering kits and overload coils. As you can see out here in IPD's warehouse, we have a ton of Overstock springs. So what does that mean for you? It means that we are lowering prices more than I've ever seen before on spring kits. I'm talking about selected items on overload coils and lowering coils for your Volvo. If you have been waiting or looking at pricing, you will not find a better deal than this anywhere out there in the aftermarket for springs for your Volvo. Now is the time to buy. If you have any questions, you can always call 800-444-6473. One of our customer service agents would love to help you with applications or hook you up on a great price. But right now, dive into our website, look at spring kits that we've selected that are on Overstock right now. It's a great deal. It's an Overstock deal. We want to help you out before the end of the year. So we appreciate you for tuning in, and we hope you have a great day.